This waterfall here is Bird's Woman Fall. It's 492 feet high, roughly 150 meters. And if you're afraid of heights, this is not a good place to stand for you. There's a sheer drop right here from a very tiny wall. That's Logan Pass, between the closest mountain and the one in the background. This is a natural car wash. This is the weeping wall. I'm gonna ride my motorcycle underneath. Actually, I did it yesterday, so I got a nice shower. I'm here with my friends on top of Logan Pass. We are about to hike to hit the lake. There's a bit of a walkway, but at a certain point it ends, as the snow is still deep in some places. The mountains are filled with the sound of music. We're arriving at the end of the boardwalk, and now it's still, from now on, it's still covered in snow, and some people are having fun. You cannot see it, but there's actually a mountain goat right at the end of the snow. Let's see if we can get any closer. Walking on packed snow is actually as fun as it sounds like. It's very slippery, you see a lot of people falling down. And there's Billy right there. Hey guys, I want to show you a super cool gimmick that my friend did. Look at this. If you ever lose your lens cap, just put a sock on it. We have more snowfields to cross. We actually have to climb all the way up on top of the ridge and go to the other side. There's a herd of rams right there. I counted about 12 of them, and also a baby. And there's some idiot that is trying to get in trouble. We are getting close to our destination, and the view keeps getting better and better. There's some rock formations down there that kind of looks like remnants of some civilization. It looks artificial. It's pretty cool. We are almost there. The rest is flat. I would have liked to go down to the lake, but the rangers told us that they closed the trail due to intense grizzly bear activity. Alright, almost there, a little effort. It's become getting pretty windy here. As we get closer and closer, the view keeps getting more and more beautiful. The wind has picked up. It's a little chilly here, but still not too bad. It's still good enough for a t-shirt. The mountains are filled with the sound of music.
Oh, do you see the goats on the ridge there?
Yeah, the goats is what whistling.
Oh,
yeah, they're good at whistling.
Oh, nice, nice.
Are you sure?
Who'd have thought?
What is it?
Oh, wow, 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 wow.
Not a goat.
No. Oh,
That's something.
it's a fox or a
Oh,
coyote.
it's coyote.
It's at this altitude?
Coyote or wolf?
Can't tell actually.
No, it's definitely not a wolf.
It's not a wolf.
It moves like a coyote.
You're right, it's running more like a dog.
As long as it's not a mountain lion, we're fine.
Yeah, that would be sick to see.
thought-
No, that would be sick to die.
I could take
You
a
know, I
mountain
think-
lion.
That
Square up.
would be sick to
Square
die.
up, I got it.
You know, I think a fully grown adult male could take on a mountain lion.
Adult male human.
There is down there.
Yes.
Okay.
Human, to be more specific.
Say that again for the people.
I think that a fully grown adult male human could take on a mountain lion. So
And you
guys,
stand by that statement.
Yes.
Do I look fully grown?
Ah.
Is any of you
Over
fully grown
there.
there? Yeah, there's one there. I don't think you can see it on the GoPro. But yes. Right. A beautiful specimen of a mountain goat right here coming toward us. Let's make sure we keep our distance. Well, it's just walking parallel to us. There's so much wildlife to be seen here in Glacier. Here we are, guys. This is Hidden Lake. It's a very nice hike getting here. Just the scenery is so amazing, breathtaking. So in truth, this is my second hike to this place. I came here yesterday and the conditions were a little different. It was warmer, it was not so windy, but I will probably show this video first, and then when I edit the rest will come as a second part, because I have some other ideas for the footage I took yesterday.